If your Dell WD19 docking station LED flashes 3 times repeatedly, it's signaling a power delivery or authentication failure between the dock and your laptop. This pattern usually means the dock can't properly negotiate power or complete the USB-C handshake required for charging and data transfer. The standard WD19 supports up to 90 W power delivery, while Thunderbolt variants can deliver up to 130 W, but your laptop must support USB-C power delivery for everything to work correctly. The most common cause is a worn or incompatible USB-C cable. Over time, frequent plugging and unplugging can degrade the cable's internal wiring, preventing stable power and data transmission. Start by fully power cycling the dock. Disconnect the power adapter from the dock and unplug it from the wall. Wait 30 seconds, then reconnect everything and test again. This simple reset resolves most cases. If the issue continues, inspect the USB-C cable and ports for dust, debris, or bent pins. Use compressed air to clean the ports and try a different certified USB-C cable that supports both power delivery and data transfer. Next, update the dock firmware using Dell Command Update and ensure your laptop BIOS and USB-C drivers are fully up to date. You can also adjust system settings. In BIOS, temporarily lower Thunderbolt security settings and enable USB power share if available. In Windows, disable USB selective suspend to prevent power interruptions. If none of these steps fix the problem, test the dock with another compatible laptop to isolate whether the issue is with the dock or your system.